Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Tell them boys to stand on business if they play with game. 556 in the Drake, I bet he leave a stain. He gon' get shot all in his shit, he try to touch a chain. Tell me how the fuck you in the trap when you ain't touch a thing. Them niggas capping cause I heard they say they getting low. And JD need 350 just for him to...
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV back at it again with another video for y'all boys. You know, back-to-back uploads, you feel me? Ain't nobody else doing it like me. Then we got the Hellcat out with the hood off, as always. You know, big supercharger. Y'all see that bit right there. You feel me? So, today we're finna give y'all boys another POV. You feel me? We gonna keep these things coming, you feel me? Especially with this good weather. You know, we're gonna keep these POVs coming for y'all boys, cause y'all act like y'all like these POVs so much. We're gonna be doing some different content and stuff. There goes the police right there. Hopefully they don't pull up on me because we ain't got time to be running from 12, you feel me? But enough of all that talk, we're finna go ahead and get into the whip, you feel me? Get into this video. All right, twins, so we finna go ahead and kick that bit off, you feel me? Go ahead and put my seatbelt on, you know the usual. Feel my girl ain't with me today. It's just me, the cat, Mr. Glock with the extendo. You feel me? So, let's go ahead and let this journey begin. You feel me? We're gonna put that bit in custom mode. You know, we can't ride in track mode. That bit too stiff. The camera gonna be bouncing out of control and stuff. You feel me? Make sure we got traction control off. Damn. Alabama need to fix all these potholes, bro. I shouldn't be scrubbing this bad. But before we get too far in the video, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Hit the post notification bell. You know, all the good stuff, you feel me? That's gonna help your boy out, you feel me? So we can make more money on YouTube, so we can buy a ZR1 Corvette when it come out. You feel me? ZR1 Corvette would be hard. I really don't even know what to be my next car for real, for real. Like, I'm really content with the cat for right now. There go that same police officer. In the trenches too, by the way. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is the trenches. I'm trying to make sure I go the way with the least amount of traffic, because I ain't trying to be, you feel me, held behind red lights all day. Just a little corner bender, you know. I still can't do too much sliding until my new tires come in. Everybody want to drive slow and stuff, bro. Go ahead and turn that big Beetle. Damn! Like, what type of pothole is that, bro? That joint gonna tear my car up. Boy, that junk sounds so wild, boy. Let's see, we're gonna go through the projects, you feel me? This way everybody be, you feel me, slanging on bows and shooting up their ops, you feel me? Little project homing or whatever you call it. Gotta show love to the folks in the projects. Damn, somebody hit that bit from the back. They knocked the whole bump off that bit. My Mexican brothers, you feel me? They always showing you boy love, no cap. Bro, the roads be so messed up, bro. And there be so many polices out there, big, bro. Like, why is there so many polices, bro? I'm trying to cut up. Not for real. Let's see you looking over here. I know they hear that Hellcat one. Whoa! What is this nigga doing? Bro, I'm weak. I know y'all just seen that. Folks see the police and be trying to show out. Overly show out. But the crazy thing about it, that nigga would have did that in that Mustang like you did, and they would have pulled me over. They would have said I was street racing or some weird stuff. I don't know what the police be on nowadays. Like when they gave me a 35 and a 30, like what type of ticket is that, bro? That's how you know the police be targeting. The mama going crazy. That pink Porsche was hard. I don't know if y'all seen that video. Man, what was that? Oh, I thought that was a ZL1. Is that a ZL1? No, that ain't no ZL1. No traction. Traction has left the chat. This bitch feel like it's on ice skates. No cap. Get that bitch that little pat, that pat. Look at the YNs, you feel me? The YNs always be trying to get your boy to cut up. Always. Even the police behind me, they'll be like, turn that bit up, twin. I'll be like, no. Y'all got me so messed up. Everybody barbecuing. Now you know it's gonna be summertime. I've been waiting for some time. I'm so over this cold weather, but y'all just don't know. Trying to figure out what way am I trying to go. I'm really just driving. I ain't got nowhere to be. Guess I'll pull up to the gas station for a little bit just so I can see something. Then we're gonna cut the camera right back home. Oh, she trying to ask me for some money. Let me pull off. I get tired of homeless people asking me for money. Nigga, I ain't no bank. You gotta watch out there. They be chasing the car and shit like a dog. I don't got no money for you, twin. I'm sorry. I can help y'all nigga get a job, though. only person I would most definitely want a job more than some little $5. Like, come on now, twin. Them $5 ain't gonna do nothing in today, time and age. On God, like, nigga, my gas, I put $50 in the tank. That bit only lasts one day. I know you can't do nothing with $5, twin. Is there any cars coming? I ain't finna be waiting in no light, no cap. That's not what we do around here, blood. And no, I don't gang bang. Bro, who just screamed at me, bro? Somebody who passed by just screamed out the window. So made me turn back around and put the empty clip out on your ass, boy. People selling Easter baskets. It sure is Easter season. Y'all don't know what I'm talking about, bro. I'm just running off at the mouth. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm just running off at the mouth. Running that light too. See? Everybody be looking at the cat. This the people's favorite car. Everybody in the world, well, not everybody in the world, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Like, for the most part, everybody love the cat. I don't know if it's the wine or what, or if it's just my cat. You feel me? OG got the old Mustang. He ain't ready for this though. I'll make that nigga go trade that bit in or go buy another one. Talking about, do you want to race? Nigga, you only got 296 horses. You better go get you one of them Cobras. One of them Terminator Cobras and do a little work to it. Then you'll be faster than me, twin. And them Terminator Cobras are actually expensive. Like, they hold their value like extremely good. I only seen a couple of them in real life. I wouldn't mind having one, but I wouldn't buy it unless I was like extremely rich. I know I just made that old lady sick on everything. Her window down. If I can't go over that little speed bump like that. Damn, why you get in front of me, twin? These folks don't know how to drive, and the traffic lights ain't working. I don't know what's going on in Birmingham, bro. Birmingham been going through it. Bro, go, people. Ain't nobody coming, bro. Y'all gotta look both ways. Bro, go, bro. They could have went, because there was still people going on that side of the road. I hate don't nobody want to let me over, bro. They be doing that on purpose. Little head ass nigga. And look at these niggas. They trying to get over and hit brother ass. Like, come on, bro. It's not hard to drive, bro. Your car only got 100 horsepower. Man, my mama calling. I'll call her back after I finish this little video. Roll that window down. I don't know if you want to hit a cat, but we finna wrap that video up though, y'all. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Like I said, it is road to 5,000 subscribers, but by the end of next week we need to be at 4,000, which I know we can make that happen, you feel me? So let's go wrap it up. I'm gonna see y'all boys next time. Peace.